So I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Now this will erase all your user data and restore the TV back to its original factory default settings. So what you want to do is go to the home screen, and if you're not on the home screen, just press the home button on your remote and then go to settings at the top. Under settings, scroll down to support, select that, and then under support, go down to reset to factory default, select that. Now if you had set up a system pin, then you'll need that system pin before you can reset. So enter the system pin and then you'll see reset to factory default. Now if you didn't have a system pin, then it will take you to this page straight away. So what you want to do is, if you want to, you can save the existing channels and favorite channels on this TV. But if you want to just reset completely, just ignore that and select restore. Now it's going to give you a pin that you need to enter so that it confirms this is something you're actually doing and it's not a bot. So 4694, and that's going to restart the it's going to start the reset process. There you go. So the screen goes dark. Then you see the Hisense logo. And then you see the VIDAA screen.
To use accessibility shortcuts, press and hold the mute button.
And now it takes us straight to the initial setup page. And that's basically how to factory reset your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.